warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Patra Fabian. I will make a presentation in the material ethics and social responsibility in the international business. And the first material, why are ethics and social responsibility important in the international business? In globally interconnected business world, companies are not only required to seek profit but also to be accountable for their action towards society and the environment. Ethics and social responsibility become the moral foundation in the decision making. When there's value applied consistently, company can build a strong global regulation, reduce legal risks, and create long-term competitive advantage. The next material, definition of international business ethics. Definition and scope. International business ethics, the moral standard and principle that govern company behavior when operating across countries. These include honesty, fairness, responsibility, and respect for human rights, local law, and cultural norms in the destination country. Imperative company face ethical determinants such as corruption, human rights violation, labor exploitation, and environment pollution. Thus, global ethics must serve as behavior with not merely for formula. And the next material, diving factor for ethics implementation in global business. Why do companies care about ethics? 1. Global reputation. Ethical companies are more respected by consumers and business partners. International regulation, money countries regulation, ethical standard for foreign investors. Next, consumer pressure. Global consumers are increasingly aware of environment and social issues. 4. And the last, local cultural values. Company must adapt without flouting universal ethics. And implementing ethics global business is merely a legal obligation, but a long-term invest ethical company more easily enter new market, gain and local support, and avoid scandal. And the next example of ethical issue and international business. Corruption and bribery common practice in some countries that contradict international law. Next, human rights violations such as child labor and inhuman working hours. 3. Environmental explanation must be social and environmental description for effectively. And the last, tax manipulation and or tax avoidance, transfer, raising or shifting profit to tax-free countries. And the case above become moral challenge for manipulation company. It is not enough and merely obey the law. Company must also be morally accountable to the global security. And the next material, definition of social responsibility or CSR. Corporate social responsibility is a company commitment to behave ethical and behavioral contribute to sustainable economic development while improving the quality of life, employs local communication and security and last in the international business. CSR or corporate social responsibility requires adaptation to local issues such as property, education, or environment sustainable developing contrast. CSR is not just a cultural activity but a long-term strategy that segment company value. And next materi, corporate social responsibility pillar in the international business. Environment reducing carbon emission, energy efficiency, and nature conservation. Next, social, supporting local community, labor rights, and women empowerment. 3. Economy, creating sustainable economy value, not just short the time profit. And the last, ethics, upholding integrity and the transparency across the global supply chain. And the global corporate social responsibility must consider local diversity. Company must adapt the local approach global in efficient local in action. And ethics and corporate social responsibility complement other ethics in the moral foundation with CSR, the social expression of the those value. And the next materi, strategy for implementation ethics and corporate social responsibility or CSR. 1. Global Code of Ethics, developing ethical with for all Balkan and global partners. 2. Employee training cross cultural ethics and diversity. 3. Ethics and CSR audit, periodically evaluating social, environment, and ethics impact. 4. Report suppression, publishing sanction stability report. And white out good strike goods and control system. Ethic value will be difficult to apply consistently across our global. Branch CSR must also be managed and published to ensure credibility. And the next materi, brief case study. 9. And the issue of children labor in the 1990 applicable global Christian for using supplier in Asia who employs children and low wage public pressure urged the company to improve its audit system and implement global ethical standard as well. Create CSR integrate in education and worker well. And nation ethical reputation can be a threat, an opportunity depending on the company response. And the last material conclusion, ethics and corporate social responsibility are the future of global business in area of high transparency and commonality. Consumer, investor, and social investor demand that companies are not only smart but also full of integrity. Ethics and social responsibility are not merely moral concepts but strategic measures win the world have. Thank you guys.